So the Samsung M51 is powered by Oneui 2.1, which might not be the latest version of Oneui, but is still ad-free and does come with some apps that can be uninstalled. And it has some really neat tricks up its sleeve. So let's dive deeper to know the 10 best features of Oneui on Samsung Galaxy M51. What's going on everybody? This is your host Manik. Well, the first one is my all-time favorite, and that is this always on display. So I searched for this option the moment I purchased a device. And with a huge 7000 mAh battery on this device, well, I have kept this to always on all the time since the day I purchased it. Plus it has been amazing so far. It is very well optimized and offers a lot of customization. So you can give it your personal touch, add GIFs, text and whatnot, and it is really helpful because you don't have to check your device every time for a notification or even time. And it is just there sitting silently for you all day long. Next one in this list would be the fingerprint gesture. So to turn it on, you can go to settings, click on advanced features, and in motion and gestures, turn on fingerprint gesture option. So as you are probably aware of how huge this device is, it makes it really hard for us to reach the notification shade every single time. So worry no more, just swipe in a top to bottom fashion comfortably on that fingerprint scanner, and there it comes. Swipe from bottom to top and it goes away just like that. And I find it really neat and responsive at the same time. Our next feature is also in that menu only, called the one-handed mode. So what if you could just take the whole screen size to fit in your hand instead of just the notification shade? So turn on the one-handed mode in advanced features under settings, and now just swipe down in the center of bottom edge, and your device will turn into this miniature sized display that even a child can use with one hand now. And if you want to switch to the other hand, just tap on this arrow icon and you will be good to go. So just tap anywhere on the empty area to go back to normal mode. Fourth one in this list is side key shortcut, and this one is also located in advanced features in settings. So you can basically use your power key to quickly launch any app that you use throughout the day. So just click on the settings icon, choose the app you wish to open through this shortcut. Now just double click on the power key and you will be taken to that app directly. And this can save a lot of your time in day-to-day life. Coming to the next one, smart pop-up windows. Well, you must have heard of bubble notifications in Android 11, right? So you can get similar sort of feature without even waiting for the upgrade. To activate this, go to settings, click on advanced features, and now choose smart pop-up from the list. Now turn it on for the applications you wish to, and from now on, the moment you get a message, you will see these bubble type of notifications. And you can use it on most of your apps, which is just awesome. For messaging apps, you will see the display picture of sender. So you don't need to check the application even, and it opens a quick window to reply from there itself. You can use this pop-up window feature to open 3 apps at once on your home screen. So in the Recents tab, long press on the application, click on open in pop-up window, and there you go. And now you can take your multitasking to a whole new level. By the way, if you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's check out another feature now. So this one is called adaptive sound, and you can find it under sound quality and effects in settings. So this is a really unique feature to have, and it is really helpful these days in particular because we are taking more and more calls. So choose adapt sound from the list and it will ask your age. Now choose the correct option and this will run a series of tests to check the sensitivity of your ears as per the feedback you give during this test. And then the device will adapt the sound signature accordingly. So after completing that, you will be able to hear low tones and high tones in a more precise way. And this is really a good feature to have. Good job there by Samsung. Speaking about that, you can turn on Dolby Atmos from the same list and choose the type of experience you want. You can keep it to auto for automatic balance every time. So this will boost up your music experience too. Next one in this list is Dual Messenger. So in case you want to use 2 social media accounts from various apps, you can use this option to easily use dual accounts on your device. So just go to advanced features in settings and choose Dual Messenger from the list. Now choose the application you want cloned and you are good to go. Last one in this list is focus mode. So basically this one will allow you to focus on one thing at a time. And you can set which apps can notify you during work time and me time. So only those apps will be able to notify you, rest will be paused till you end these modes. So this can be really helpful for those who are working from home right now. So that was it for now. These are some of the great features in One UI 2.1 on Samsung M51. So do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.